Dominic. There he is. Whoa. Bucket.
Pull down. Pull down.
Be careful, that's gonna be owie.
Down.
Mhm.
No, go down. Down.
That is a car, you're right.
Lalo. Lalo. Lalo.
Where did you put the yellow car? Oh, go get your milk. Baby sister can't have that. Go get it.
No. Oh, done.
No, there's more. Hi. No.
Nana.
No, we're not going to call Nana. We already did.
Dupa.
We're not going to call Pa. We already called Pa.
Mimic.
There's Dominic. Hmm? Where is your baby sister?
Dupa. 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 Dupa.
You want to call Pa?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
No.
No what?
No.
No, you just want to say no?
Dupa.
Do you want to call Pa? Do you want to call Pa?
With you.
You do? Say yes, please.
The bees.
Okay, you need to stop standing on my legs.